Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Rosa Yulianda dengan NIM 2004-5111. Di dalam video ini saya akan menjelaskan mengenai UAS aplikasi bahasa Inggris. Yang pertama yaitu How do mountains affect human life? Mountains strongly affect the life of those who dwell in a north them, because mountain soil in the most place. Settlements are few and widely spread in a mountainous region. Mountains people are usually independent. They learn to take care of themselves. The harsh climate of the most mountain regions requires stretch and endurance in the inhabitants. The presence of the nearby mountains has important effect on the climate of surrounding regions. When mountains lie along a coastline, much of the moisture carried by wind blowing inland is dropped before the cloud cross of the mountains. Thus, the area east of the Pacific Range is quite dry, while the coastal area is the moist. One of the most important effects of the mountains of human life is that they act as a barrier to travel and communication. Mountains are regions that can be easily defended from the invaders. In mountainous places such as Armenia, China, and the southern Appalachian of the United States until recent years, they keep the language and the custom of early times, while people in the low worlds around them were rapidly changed. Main idea dari paragraf tersebut adalah mountains strongly affect the life of those who dwell in the north depth. Artinya di sini adalah pegunungan sangat mempengaruhi kehidupan orang yang tinggal di dekat mereka. Alasan saya untuk mengambil main idea tersebut adalah biasanya main idea terdapat di awal paragraf, dan setelah saya membaca paragraf mengenai How do mountains affect human life, saya dapat menyimpulkan bahwa kalimat pertama pada paragraf tersebut adalah main idenya, karena pada kalimat tersebut sudah mencakup semua penjelasan dari kalimat setelahnya, di mana pegunungan sangat mempengaruhi kehidupan orang-orang tinggal yang di dekat sekitar mereka. Dan untuk membuktikan kalimat tersebut, terdapat kalimat-kalimat penjelas yang telah diterangkan di setelahnya. Pada kalimat-kalimat penjelas tersebut diterangkan bahwasannya karakteristik dari pegunungan yang berbeda-beda dan termasuk manusia yang tinggal di dalamnya. Masuk ke soal yang kedua, yaitu French richest land in the Western Europe. A. Location and borders of Francis countries, atau letak dan batas negara Prancis. Berdasarkan peta yang telah saya cantumkan di samping ini, bisa sama-sama kita lihat bahwasannya France is located on the European continent, specifically Western Europe. France is the border by the Channel Strait, Belgium, Germany, and the Luxembourg to the north. To the east is Germany, Switzerland, and Italy. To the south area is the Spain, Andorra, and the Mediterranean Sea. To the west is the Atlantic Ocean. Masuk ke bagian B, yaitu the Pyrenees Mountains, the Alps Mountains, the Jura Mountains, the Vosges Mountains, and the Ardennes Mountains. Yang pertama, the Pyrenees Mountains atau Pegunungan Pyrenees. The Pyrenees Mountains are the southwestern European mountains chain consisting of the Fault River Message and the Folder Rhine Spain. Stretches from the coast of the Mediterranean Sea in the east to the Bay of Biscay in the Atlantic Ocean in the west. The Pyrenees form a high wall between France and Spain that has played an important role in the history of both countries and Europe as well. Yang kedua, the Alps Mountains. The Alps are the highest and the large mountain system located entirely in the Europe, extending approximately 1,200 kilometers across 7 the Alpine countries from the west and east. France, Switzerland, Italy, Liechtenstein, Austria, Germany, and Slovenia. The arcs of the Alps generally extend from the Gneiss in the western Mediterranean to Thrace and the Atlantic and Vienna at the beginning of the Pannonian Basin. The mountains were performed over tens of the million of years the African and Eurasian tectonic plates collide. Yang ketiga, the Jura Mountains. The Jurassic Mountains are the subalpine mountains range which lies not far to the north of the Western Alps and largely delimits most of the French-Swiss border. While the proper Jurassic, the Folder Jura, lies in the France and Switzerland, the range continues as the Table Jura or Unfolder Jurassic in the north stream direction through northern Switzerland and Germany. Yang keempat ada the Vosges Mountain. The Vosges Mountain are a series of the low mountains in the eastern France, close to the border with the Germany, together with the Palatine Forest in the north of the German sides of the border. They form a single geomorphological unit in the low mountains. The range extends northern from the gate of the Burgundy, Beaufort, Ronchamp, Lurline, to the Bostat Basin and the forms of the western border of the Upper Rhine Plains. Yang kelima ada the Ardennes Mountains. The Ardennes Mountains are located in the southeast Belgium. Is one the unique area rich in fauna and flora, with the vast bourlif and the evergreen forest, rolling hills, and flower rivers. Maksudnya di sini masuk ke bagian C, yaitu the Sins River, the Loire River, Garonne River, and the Rhone River. Yang pertama, the Sins River. The Sins River, as a major river in the northwestern France, this river is the one of the commercial waterway and also a tourism destination, especially the part that is located in the city of Paris. The name comes from the Latin word sequenus. Yang kedua ada the Loire River. The Loire River is the longest river in France. With a length of 1,020 kilometers, the river fertilizes an area of 170,000 kilometers to 1/5 all of France. Yang ketiga adalah the Garonne River. The Garonne is a river southwest France and the northern Spain, with a length of 575 kilometers. It flows from the central Spanish Pyrenees of the Gironde estuary in the French port of Bordeaux. Yang keempat ada the Rhone River. The Rhone is one of the great rivers of Europe, running through Switzerland and France. Before railroads and the roads were invented, the Rhone was an important land transportation and the trade route, connecting the cities of the Arles, Avignon, Valence, Finin, and the line of the Mediterranean ports of Fos, Marseille, and the Sète. Bagian D, explain about French influence on the world, atau dampak dari revolusi Prancis bagi dunia. Sebelum kita mengetahui dampak dari revolusi Prancis, maka kita harus tahu apa maksud dari revolusi Prancis itu. In France, there was a period of radical social and political upheaval called the French Revolution, which had lasting impact of the French history and more broadly on the Europe as well, and even to the world, which a bell to the change of other people's life. The impact of the French Revolution of the world, atau dampak dari revolusi Prancis terhadap dunia. Yang pertama, the French Revolution gave rise to the secularism over Christianity. This secularism then eliminated religion and the turns of the into of the social of political fields. Yang kedua, yaitu the main impact of the French Revolution on the political system was in the form of absolute power, which was high criticals with the French Revolution, democracy, parliamentary, republican, and the other understanding grow, which of the also began to grow in the other countries. Yang ketiga yaitu the emergence of capitalism in the world. The abolition of the power and the privilege of the nobility gave rise to a similar tax system throughout the countries. The system is based on the principle of the economic equality. With the result of the French Revolution, feudalism and the end and the capitalism opened. Yang keempat ada the emergence of liberalism. The greatest spreader of the liberalism in the France was Napoleon Bonaparte. With a strongly army, Napoleon Bonaparte's success in the conquering almost all the other area outside Europe. Yang kelima ada development of the idea of the rule of law. The rule of law in the question is the constituents that applies to a country which the has authority. The legal system in the France before the outbreak on the French Revolution did not apply equally to everyone and every area. This is because there are special privilege and traditional that differ in each region. Since the region of the Napoleon's law have been uniform from everyone and every union. Selanjutnya, the impact of the French Revolution on Indonesia atau dampak revolusi Prancis terhadap Indonesia. One of the areas that was positively affected by the French Revolution was Indonesia. Even though, at the time of the sovereignty of the Republic of Indonesia and the Indonesian independence had not found their way. The event of the French Revolution provide inspiration for the leader in Indonesia. Several ideologies that have been used as the motivating force for the masses to seek Indonesian way of the freedom and the independence are the nation of nationalism, demokrasi, and the unity. Baiklah, sekian dari penjabaran UAS aplikasi bahasa Inggris yang telah saya jabarkan. Apabila ada kekurangan mohon dimaafkan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.